Hello, this is Cartman Productions, and today we are going to be doing a Pokemon opening with Noyer.
Noyer Games, hello.
And, Max.
We're not gonna say...
yeah.
Even though my channel knows my name.
Yeah, that's
Full
fine.
name,
Go to Noyer's channel, and, you'll be able to see who that guy is.
I'll link Cartman's channel in the description, because, you know...
Yeah, same with him, and, Max's channel also.
Alright, so, let's see what we got. Max, you got a Celestial Storm and a Guardians Rising pack.
Yep, let's just show those. There we go.
I got this because, you know, it's been bothering me, and also I needed the last one.
Here, let me grab that. Show my... That was a fail.
Yeah.
Alright, so one of these team-up tins.
And then he also got... And then Cartman got a
Pokeball
tin.
3 booster packs in here.
It has a coin in there, so...
Go, Pokeball!
You should have seen my face.
I'm acting like I'm throwing it in. Anyways.
Right, so, I'm gonna pause.
Who's going first?
Him. Because he is
okay, Max. Let's do this.
Okay,
I can just zoom in.
Guardians Rising. So let's see.
You know how to do the card trick?
It's 4 cards on the
do you want to show the code cards, or...?
He can if he wants to. So,
it's a white
if you
card.
want to keep the code card... Okay, 4 to the front, from the back to the front, okay?
Oh, I saw what's in there.
Okay.
Is it good?
I didn't see the rare, I just saw the uncommons.
Okay. Alright,
So
yep, we got an energy.
Psychic energy.
Need to zoom this out a little bit. Here, just give them to me.
I'm just gonna lean in.
Gotharita.
Gotharita.
Kamala. Rescue Stretcher. Tentacool.
Do you want me to read them off for you?
Stuffle. Lowland Sandshrew. Cottony. Bellsprout. Reverse Hollow Barboach.
And the rare.
And the rare is a Hollow Absol.
May I see the Hollow Absol?
Yes.
This isn't the one I need, but it's still good.
I'll trade for it.
Well, it's not the one I need. I need the one from Team Up, which I could get in here.
Hey, hold on just a sec, guys. Let me go ahead and grab my little Bulbasaur card holders, and we'll put the best card...
I'll go grab mine.
Okay, yeah. Let me go grab that. I'll let those two take it away for a minute here.
Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up really quick. Paused.
No, because then they don't. Then they think it's that you played everything.
No. I edit.
Where'd you put yours?
I'm not recording, you know.
Okay, where'd you put yours?
It's in my bag. I got it.
Alright.
Are you still recording, or did you pause it?
No, it's still going.
Are these the best?
Well, I just paused my recording because, you know.
Alright, we have these really cool little Bulbasaur card holders that I 3D printed.
Yeah,
so let's go ahead and take that Absol. Put that in there. I'll let those two use them.
Okay, I'm gonna pause.
So the Absol, we're just going to leave this right here.
Okay,
Alright, you can put your thing in the frame for me, because I'm opening this up.
Alright, let's go ahead and get that in the frame here.
Okay, so we got a Celebi and Venusaur tin. Oh, wait, we have to open his...
Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot.
And last but not least,
right.
we got this one left.
Yep, we have a Celestial Storm.
Celestial Storm, man.
Let's see what I got.
This is my favorite set, so I hope you pull something good so I can trade for it.
You should say, you hope he pulls something good and is willing to trade it out.
Yeah, basically. Your body's in the frame, not the head, just letting you know. If you're okay with...
Oh, it's a bad one.
No. Well,
hope for a rare
hope for a prism, I guess. So, yeah.
Full salts and energy.
Fairy energy.
Hold up, show us the... just, like, hold it like this to show the cameras.
Super Scoop Up Trainer. It
Ooh,
can't
Bill's
see
Maintenance. That's not bad.
Masquerain. Bill's
Clam
Maintenance.
Pearl. That's a beautiful art.
Clamperl. I'll just let him read them.
Fancy. Electrike. Torchic. Onyx.
And another Onyx.
As the reverse. And Wailord. Not bad. Not bad. I think I accidentally got your head in frame, but I can just blur it out.
Yeah, that's fine. We can edit it.
Alright.
I usually do no editing in my videos.
I do. So. I do a crap ton of editing. That's all I do. Okay, so...
I try to make it easy for myself.
So, yeah, if you... Okay, so I can put my Celebi and Venusaur in the frame for now.
Celebi and Venusaur.
I have a deck built around this. I need 3, and I already have 1, so this is my second one. Plus, I also got the tin.
Celebrity.
Ah! Give me a sec. Paused it. Oh yeah, they have these things. I freaking love these things. However, they're a pain to get out. Got it.
Oh, that thing, yeah. I have
Okay.
like 1 or 2 of those.
Hold up. I'm just going to put it in there. And
Till we get something better?
yeah.
Are you gonna...
Here's the code card. And let's see, we have
I'm probably gonna end up redeeming that.
Team Up, Forbidden Light, and Evolutions, but
I'll take that if you don't want it.
no, I want it. So let's start with Evolutions. Hey, could you hold the camera for me? You can show my face if you want. Evolutions is the first pack, and oh great, I forgot, Evolutions is stubborn.
I'll just quickly show this Celebi and Venusaur card.
Celebi and Venusaur?
Yeah, Celebi, whatever. Celebi.
I wish we had scissors.
Here.
Yeah, just open it for me, because I've got
How to
sweaty hands.
properly open a pack.
I've opened 3 booster boxes. You dare oppose me, mortal? Oh, you got it. Okay. Ah. Okay, so
I don't know the pack trick to this. It's probably 3, isn't it?
here's the code card. Oh, I see something in there. 1, 2, 3. Boom. We have Venusaur Spirit Link. How easy. Energy Revival, or yeah.
Retrieval.
Nidorino, Diglett, Rattata, Charmander, Energy, Pikachu, Reverse. Ooh, Machamp Break, and
the bleed.
Raticate. I'm gonna definitely trade this. I hate these things, but
Oh yeah, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. Right. Okay. Let's just
okay,
quickly show what he got in this pack here.
yeah, it's not much.
And
but
then we're going to sleeve. I need to grab some sleeves. I'll grab some here in just
So
a second.
far-
I got some behind me. So far, not
This
bad.
is not in order in any way, but Machamp Break, Nidorino, Energy Retrieval, Venusaur Spirit Link, Pikachu, Psychic Energy, Charmander, Rattata, Diglett, and Raticate.
Okay.
So
So I'm
grab
just
some
gonna put that in
sleeves
there.
for you guys here.
Yeah,
Just gonna climb on over you.
So much editing. Okay, Forbidden Light is up next. I don't remember if it's a front-facing code or not. Okay. So here's the code card.
I'm
I
gonna
think it was
sleeve some
green.
of this stuff.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Lightning Energy. Araquanid. Unidentified Fossil. Tedenne. Goomy. Dewpider. Fennekin. Ponchomp. Skidoo. Snover. And the rare is a Vivian. Alright. Another green
That
code.
ain't too bad.
Team Up packs are up next. So. Alright, I got this one. Oh, it's a green code. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Cosmog, Litten. There you go. Freaking green codes. Okay. And I will not.
Just show what he got in the Forbidden Light here.
Yeah, if you want. I don't really mind. Ah! Freaking stubborn packs! This is not fun. I'm going to have to edit this out a lot.
Well, I won't. So you gotta see some exclusive content.
I'm going to edit for you if I have to. Here, open it.
Do-do-do-do.
I told you it's stubborn.
Give me just a second here.
Max is bawling. No, he's not, but like, okay. Alright, so.
Hopefully you don't mind if I destroy your packs. Up here, let me grab this. I'm just gonna nick these from you.
Okay, here's the code card.
See what they got in Team Up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Some of those, I'm eyeing some of those.
Fairy Energy. Hitmonchan.
Okay.
Dragonair. Unidentified Fossil. Ponyard. Geodude. Mankey. Pancham. Ferroseed. Reverse of Voltorb. And, ooh, Zangoose Hollow. I have a reverse of this, but not a hollow, so. You know what? I got a Celebi and Venusaur. That's all I needed. So yeah, next up is the Pokeball tin.
Yes, hold on. Let me get some of these sleeved here. Where's the hollow and reverse hollow from that last? Or where the stuff from that? Okay, here's what he got in the last pack. Hollow Zangoose. This is Team Up, by the way.
Yeah.
Voltorb, Ferroseed, Pacham, Mankey, Alolan Geodude, Ponyard, Unidentified Fossil, Dragonair, Hitmonchan, and a Fairy Energy.
Hey, where's the rest of my cards?
They should all be in there.
Okay.
Alright,
Yeah, I
give me
don't
just
like
a second to
sleeping
sleeve these.
Oh, you forgot to trade these, by the way. You forgot to trade those.
Oof. Alright, here we go.
Thanks.
Okay, now to my little pokeball. I'm just
Take
gonna
that.
steal this little Bulbasaur thing.
Yeah, that's
kinda cool. Right. So these Pokeballs, aluminum, they come with 3 packs and a coin. So let's see what we get in here. Hopefully some good stuff. Hopefully some stuff that
You still look
Max
like a
is
lime.
jealous about. What?
You still look like a lime.
I don't even know
He's
what to
always
say
wearing a
about
lime
that.
shirt of some sort.
Yep.
I'm getting a call. Uh-oh.
Great timing, huh? Alright, we finally got this out of the package
I
here.
was doing some recording, sorry.
Do-do-do.
Santos.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
I don't know.
You're probably thinking I'm an idiot right now. There we go. Works. Right. Okay. Oh, sweet. We got some old packs. Okay, so we got... They're not that old, but whatever.
So you have a
Let's start here. Hold on a second.
Sun, Moon, and Steam Siege. Ooh, that's
Tyranitar
sad.
coin. How is
Ooh,
this
hopefully
sad?
you can- hopefully
How
you
is
can-
this sad? Huh?
Oh, okay, let me
Be
just say
advised.
what you can pull
There
out of
won't be
these.
a
That,
reverse hollow pull.
How is this sad? Now?
okay, let me just show you something. You might want to pull a Hyper Rare Lele. Definitely pull a Gold Ultra Ball, and nobody likes Steam Siege. Just
That's
nobody.
great. Well, I like the EXs, so I like Steam Siege. It's fine.
Okay,
I just have opened too many of those, so
Everybody's
really
opened
get
too
new
many of
cards.
those.
right. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, Sun and Moon, and Steam Siege. If you didn't get that already, right. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising coming up first. You already saw the Slowpoke, whatever.
Oops, white code.
Oh, we got a good one. Okay.
Okay then.
I think I see something through the side, but I'm not
Yeah.
gonna. Right, Psychic Energy,
Hold
Max Potion.
Just let me be able to get it in
Let's
frame.
just get the side view here.
Yeah.
Psychic Energy, Max Potion. My camera is not getting this angle very good. Sableye,
Ooh.
Gothorita, Slowpoke, Wishy-Washy, Nosepass, Wimpod,
Gumi.
Gumi,
Reverse of a Fletchender
Yep.
and
a
rare-
Hollow
Ooh.
Mimikyu.
Ooh, that's
Let's
actually
get
a
those
decent
sleeved.
card. So yeah, you might want to get these.
And then the Mimikyu will go into the little thing of...
Because that's so far your best pull.
Yep.
If you can pull a
Where's the
gold,
Mimikyu? Where's the Mimic? There's a Mimikyu. Okay.
if you can
I'm
pull
just
the
dropping
gold
the cards
Ultra
in
Ball out of here, I will trade you, I don't know, a full art Zeraora or something. I don't know.
Ziora?
Yeah, it's like a $35 card for a full art.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep the Ultra Ball just because I like the bragging rights of having
Well, I mean,
the most.
as of Friday, they'll, won't be legal, so they'll be less.
All right, here's a Sun and Moon pack, and Max over there is flipping the coin. Max is not his real name, by the way. We just gave him that as a. I'll go looking for Max, but anyways.
Another white code. Are you kidding me?
Sweet, man. Okay, I swear, if we get an Ultra Ball here, I highly doubt I will, because I don't get luck, but,
Don't jinx.
I get it, I will be very impressed.
If
Right.
you look at my videos, then you'll know, besides the Reshazard, I do not get good pulls.
Alright, we have a Fairy Energy, Dartrix, How, Wishy-Washy, Dewpider, Alolan Diglett, Marini, Crabrawler, Eevee.
Ooh, I'm gonna trade for that.
I have tons of those EVs.
Ooh.
No, I was gonna say rare, but it's not. Reverse of an Aquanid and another Hollow Kangaskhan. Not bad.
Not bad at all. But then we.
Where are the GXs, man? Where are the GXs?
Well, you're not gonna get. None of us pulled any GXs, but I mean, we all. I mean, did you pull a hollow?
I got 2 Hollows.
So
I think I'm winning right now.
Well, I mean, I have the GX, so fight me. And it's a full art, so.
Well, yeah, but you didn't pull it, so. Here's
that's
Steam
right.
Siege. Let's hope for like an EX out of here.
Well,
I like EXs. I think the EXs are pretty cool.
I prefer GXs, but I mean, when I opened my Pigrom tin, I got a full art. Oh, it's a green code.
I don't think they started that. It's
Yeah, they did.
3, right?
Yeah, 3.
Okay.
So
a while.
you have
Pokemon Ranger, Ambipom, Nidorino, Yanma, Chimchar, Bergmite, Clauncher, Seedot, a reverse holo of Anorith, and a Pyroar. I already have all those. I even have the reverse holo of the Anorith, so.
Wow, that's just sad. Well, I'm gonna say that if we weren't counting this, then definitely,
I think all these are going to get
Cartman
traded out.
yeah, Cartman definitely won if we're not talking about the Celebi Venusaur.
Yeah, no, that's a guaranteed, so we don't count
Well, I
guaranteed
mean,
cards.
you could have gotten the Gold Ultra Ball, and then, you know, you would have easily won.
I still won, so in your face. What is it, Noyer?
Yeah. I already ended it, so. Oh,
Anyways.
that is going to be so much editing when I get home.
Yep, so this is the, this is Cartman Productions. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!